What if I told you that you can make a steady income from YouTube without bombarding your viewers with ads? Stick around because in just a few seconds, you'll discover the secret strategies top creators use to master affiliate marketing without ever annoying their audience. Watch till the end to unlock these game-changing tips. The first strategy to master affiliate marketing on YouTube is ensuring that your affiliate links are relevant and add value to your viewers. Think about the kind of content you create and how the products or services you recommend can genuinely help your audience. For example, if your channel focuses on tech reviews, including affiliate links to the gadgets you review is a natural fit. Your viewers come to your channel for advice on tech products, so offering them direct links to buy those products makes their shopping experience easier and more seamless. Another powerful strategy is to weave affiliate links into different types of engaging content. Product reviews are a no-brainer since you're already discussing the pros and cons of an item. Tutorials are another fantastic opportunity. If you're showing how to use a particular piece of software, including an affiliate link to that software in your video description can be incredibly helpful. Favorites videos where you discuss your top picks for a particular category also provide a great platform to insert affiliate links, as viewers are often looking for recommendations they can trust. It's crucial to be transparent and authentic with your audience about your affiliate relationships. Clearly state that you earn a commission from purchases made through your links. This not only builds trust, but also demonstrates that you value your viewers' support. When people feel that you're honest and genuinely want to help them, they're more likely to follow your recommendations and click on your affiliate links. Here's a question for you. What are some products or services you think could provide real value to your viewers? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Tired of delaying your financial freedom? Overcome procrastination with the Passive Profits Blueprint mini course, tailored to shift you from planning to action. This course teaches you to build a passive income stream quickly and effectively. Learn to achieve your financial goals with clarity and confidence. Don't let hesitation hold you back. Visit digmarketing101.com/course now. Access your blueprint to success and start your journey to financial independence today. Striking the right balance between promoting affiliate products and providing valuable content is essential for maintaining the trust and interest of your viewers. One effective strategy is to create a content mix where only a portion of your videos include affiliate promotions. This way, you can ensure that the majority of your content remains high quality, informative, and entertaining. For example, if you upload videos 3 times a week, consider dedicating one of those videos to an affiliate promotion, while the other 2 focus purely on adding value to your viewers. It's crucial to deeply understand your audience's needs and preferences to tailor your content effectively. Knowing what your viewers genuinely care about allows you to create content that resonates with them. Conducting polls, reading comments, and engaging with your audience on social media can provide valuable insights into what topics they find most helpful or entertaining. When you promote affiliate products, always prioritize transparency. Clearly disclose your affiliate relationships at the beginning of the video and in the video description. Phrases like, "This video contains affiliate links, which means I may earn a commission if you make a purchase through these links," are straightforward and ethical. Such disclosures build trust and show your audience that you value their support without detracting from their viewing experience. Providing value should always be your primary goal. Think about the content that has the most significant impact on your audience. For instance, if your channel is about fitness, regular workout routines, healthy eating tips, and motivational content should be your staples. Occasionally, when you introduce affiliate products like fitness equipment or health supplements, ensure they are products you genuinely believe in and that they enhance your audience's journey. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What kind of non-promotional content do you find most engaging on your favorite channels? Share your thoughts in the comments below.